My God, dog, cocky root strong to Ross, boy. Jesus God. Why, Mr. See them who the root make special to Ross class to take a clean, but I was born, right? I know see no man who the root can't take a clean, so, yes, sir.
If we have a matic and wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate of wire ramp on our friend for busing.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV. Yes, man.
Wash it dread, what go on, my boss?
Yes, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, man. Yeah. No, nothing strange. Go and see him here.
Okay. I don't know if you hear. I don't know if you ever hear on the news say them a plan to colonize Mars, meaning man a plan to go there go live. You ever hear about that?
Up on Mars?
Yeah.
And I don't know, man. I hear them a build up there now.
No, them not reach there yet, you know. Them a plan to go there.
So hold on. The space station.
Mm-hmm.
No years space station up there on Mars there.
No, on Mars. Space station how them build, you know.
Right. When the spaceship then go up there, then go I'll take service and come back and go stay all up there 1, 2, 3 days and come back.
Yes. That a space station where man make. Well, that is space station it orbit Earth, you know. So why the space station it orbit Earth. So
say hardly what?
It orbit Earth, it rotate Earth, it go around Earth. The space station.
Mm-hmm.
But Mars no. Mars, nobody no go there yet. Them send robot and then send machine go there. But a man never go there in physical form yet. But them a plan to go there and plan to live there.
Well, right now we know. The human being only come here for a short time because them is too disobeying, you know. They turn them back against nature and make it look like it's not nature, it's them. You see, so them now will stop till then create judgment.
Let me ask you something. If when the time come for them go Mars, for go live there, and them invite you to be a part of it, you'd go?
You see what happened? My land will come to live pan, you know. I saw me see me born, right? I saw me see me born, and I saw a free destiny. So, a lot of people don't drive in a plane, you know. I'm saying, nah, go up there at all, because if that thing get out of control up there, no alternative, right? So, I prefer drive on the ship because I thought you have a little better chance to save with live boat and things on the ship, but the plane, lot of man don't ride on bike. Me top to carry a lot of man on bike, and he say nothing, me no ride on bike. Me not coming pan with you, you know.
Mars a land like Mars a land, you know, is just another planet with land, you know.
Me know.
But
me know, you know.
The thing is,
me tell you, see a tree stage, you know, people on the way, I will not know, you know. I'm in the middle with it, you know. You have another planet of people on Mars, and we in the middle, and you have one hand underneath, I will not know, you know.
So you feel say people there, you feel say people there on Mars now?
Sure. Away ask you, man. Then I hope they hear me say you got Jupiter, and we got Saturn. When you got Saturn to go Mars, a 2 angel hold the gateway of Saturn for you pass through for go Mars, you know, when you're in Bluetooth and Santos. You have to contact them, you know, for them open the gateway for you pass and go Mars, you know, right?
Then
you pass through, you know.
Then them man we are plan for go Mars. Them have to go contact them for them open the gateway.
Sure.
According to them, you see?
Yeah.
According to them, Mars as it is now, you cannot go there and breathe. There's no oxygen on Mars. Plus, if you go on Mars, you have to have on a space suit. You cannot go there in your pants and shirt like how you do it on Earth. So, I would ask the question, why going there to live if you cannot walk freely and you cannot breathe? You know, it make no sense. It makes sense to you?
You see, the judging thing don't work, right? Knowing we deal with, right? Because seeing is knowing and hearing is believing, right?
Mm-hmm.
My knowledge told me, cause me investigate these things, and they can told me that no, up on Mars, the man them were up there, they work strict. No, they work like police. If you send call them, then report to office, so then get called. And when them go back, they have to report back to office again. What was the call about? So you cannot call them to phone them will hurt you. You see? And when you hear about Gabriel, Ruthie Bell, Michael, when you hear about Cocky Head 113, Amen,
Well,
Hallelujah, Rum out there, them there, yeah?
Cocky Head 1, 2, and 3, who that?
Yeah. I hope that a tree spirit up the name so you know, master, where I name the same thing under you. A three deadly bomber class spirit. You see something where you have under you what they call cocky. It's a murder right now. It's a murder out the bomber class sitting push out and not do some breed of wickedness, and when he done him drop back under your silent now say nothing. Him not talking now. When you about silent river run blood clot deep. You see you would the cocky head 1, 2, and 3. I think I'll come on, he make things happen. So I want deadly spirit you have under you there now. When the time you start to stand up, you start to fuck with your head, I plan how if you broke. And by you done broke, if you no mind, you're up a prison, Let me tell you, because it will make you fuck you goat and fuck the hog and fuck this a certain time, right? Because anytime he start push out, he turn him enough idiot, he start fuck with his head, right? And when him done do murderous thing now and drop back under your silent, are you then after? And I know you do the hack. I sit now under you do the hack,
But no, you depend.
And the man make it look like a you, eh?
But are you depend?
But you can't control him. I want deadly spirit, Said like the sitting where you sit and drink name rum. I hope them rum live to, up on Mars,
So we say rum.
Then name this thing where you see we drink and name rum. I can't make it, but then name the thing after one up there what they call rum.
Mars it a come from?
Yes, a Mars rum there. And then visit down here. Then visit down here, man, you work as a man any time and go at the bar door, them go stand up. And any man a come out of the bar and a stagger then jump on his shoulder. You see if he's not dead, he's lucky and bumbo clot here.
And Cocky Head 1, 2, and 3 and Mars it come from?
Yes, I hope they then there. That's the name. You see what it two where the pastor work with the name Amen and Hallelujah. I hope they then there again them terrible no bumbo clot,
So you
when
make
call them down that church.
so
What?
it no make sense go Mars then if all of them thing they up there.
Well, me wouldn't say it no make sense, my brethren, because remember, we normal, But me I warn you, me I tell you, say, you have some magician man, where the things them when me see my bumbo clot, me wonder if he my God or what, right? And them big bridge where they make us some various place. You think a human being buckle up the eye on them? Eh?
What?
A spirit then use. No spirit then use buckle up the eye on them, man. By night. 12 o'clock at night.
So when they use the spirit for buckle
A word then speak, So and buckle up the eye on them, eh?
And not and bolt do it.
Yes, but as watch a man. You see, push cross the rascal big high and them cross some difficult place where no crane can't work. You see?
Mm-hmm.
All one bridge where you call Causeway Bridge in a town now, where I got put more there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Me da Clarendon. And me a go Morgan's Pass. Go work a morning time. And then I make one big bridge over a river. And me pass morning and evening. And one evening when me I go home, the eye and them no go cross. And in the morning, when me I go work, every bumbo clot and buckle up. Right? Good. Yes. The man will carry out them the other day. A word then speaking of master. And buckle up the eye and them, push cross the rascal and them and buckle them at 12 o'clock at night. No workers now see when them do them they sitting there. Is when all of these workers them gone home. 12 o'clock in the night. When workers come a morning, every bumbo clot and buckle up here.
Oh.
Yeah. So no fuck with you, man. Being the only thing that fuck I can do is blow a break here.
Remember one time when we were youth and I go shop, call it your parents give you a list of stuff to buy. I don't know if it ever happened to you, but to go shop and not forget. I remember everything when they said me to buy. Call it then say buy half a bread, 1 pound of sugar, 1 tin mackerel. Upon the whole journey going to shop, you recite it, you say 1 pound of sugar, half a bread, 1 tin mackerel. Just because, what if you forget because you will go buy the wrong thing. You remember them time there?
Yeah, man. Same thing I feel you too. Sometimes you sing pan and as you reach to blood clot, it slip you.
That's true, man.
Yes, man. The devil chang the rascal, Right? I mean, she didn't send me a shop with that 2 shilling and me see one boy come. She don't have the fucking shop here that talk with one boy and just 2 fucking 2 and 6 pounds piece heavy. You run out of my side pocket on the side of me. And me see boy, I look side of me. And when me look down, me see 2 and 6 pounds piece. Me say, rascal. Me find a 2 and 6 pounds piece. And go in a shop and go buy cake and buy drinks and nyamafi. And when me ready to blood clot we buy, me can't find it 2 and 6 pounds piece so then give me. May I tell you, I'm me God. And if you go over there, go tell them, say, last, and then say, all right, he lunch, cook me lunch in the kitchen. Now when I go in the kitchen, if go for your lunch, I door, me say, lock. And me say, you man, say, your blood clot, yo. Some blood clotting. Say, my God, boy, when a man make mistake and the person don't understand, man, see him, God, I couldn't tell him, say, I have to tell him last.
Nice, but you tell them a lie, say last, if they have mercy for you still get beaten.
You fuck your thing in all time people easy master. Slavery them and come out and then crew up you and beat your pussy clot. If you're not there, you're lucky. The police not there them time they say hear nothing. I host them the far from one another.
You know say Chinese are flood Africa right now. Yeah man.
Yeah, because when professional tell you, say, Akian, we kill him brother here before it is a big money my run down mass and you go and feel him, you see? Go and feel him. Cause him did kill him brother for money and nature take what say, alright? Since some money you don't want, money you go and get.
So
but to the last you go and bring a man in generation to destruction,
Alright, in the Bible, you see, it say Adam and Eve, them only have Cain and Abel, 2 boys. And Cain kill Abel and run away to the land of Nod and find a wife and get married. So, if it was only Adam and Eve, Cain and Abel upon the earth at the time, or Cain was able to find a wife in Nod. Or that?
is to prove that people did exist before then. Yeah, that's the convincement now. When the man tell you their sickness, not to prove that people did exist before them.
That I for sure say I know them alone did depend on hurt, not true?
Yeah, I said people did exist before these two, and they make it look like as though Adam and Eve started multiplication. And people were before them because, what you say, a king Herod boy, and kill for Adam one.
But King Herod nowhere on in the New Testament they mention King Herod, man.
Well, whether or not them say King Herod was a tiny boy, you know.
Oh yeah?
And him did, yes, and him did fuck Eve and take her maid and breed her. Because our Father prayer show you, say, on earth as it is in heaven, what give us this day our daily bread. And don't forgive those who trespass against us and lead us into temptation.
So you know
don't forgive him.
You know if forgive him.
No, the backy boy, King James change your part there. Can a man a trespass against you and not bring in a temptation and you forgive him? What you fi do with him, bumbo clad? Now get rid of him. Eh? And the boy I go change that part there, say, and forgive those who trespass against us and those who lead us into temptation. Can you forgive a bumbo clad man like that? You know, see them foolish people in the Bible. Better the poor they shall enter the kingdom of God. Easier for camel go through the eyes of an eagle that the rich man enter to blood clot. That means if a rich man in know to blood clot, say the poor people will enter and him no enter. Why him not stay poor? Him no want heaven. Eh? You know see a generalship to blood clot and check the people them. That thing can't get for rule them. The people them will surrender. And humble said there is a God exists will come deliver them out of their separation one day. When not no go so a blood clot. It's
a blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. What do you think about that?
Them they are trick. He seen get the chance for rob up every blood clotting. If you don't tell the people and sit there then they fight back, you know. You don't have a harder time. You understand? But now science them man, scientists them man. No, if it can influence people. Because my man consider about calm fool man, tell me say man call me a papin when me go. They say gone down a ligani, me go a ligani. They say gone and have me up and down. You know, see so them people have masquerade around down people. You see say the person afraid of the blood clotting, right? And you run him down so if he drop down and dead. You know, see a wicked blood clot people, liar them man.
Maybe I just the sex, the man them love.
No, but look, as I tell you, say, weightlifter, boxer, karate expert, all of them have to keep them from fuck pussy. You will weak out and can't then work. Your sperm is your strength of your blood. I make you live long and strong. Anyway, you see sweetness, the problem like waiting on your ass clot. You see when you have broke out with sweet, fall it up to blood clot. You go up there, see you see pussy. You go around there, see you see pussy. You go down there, see you see pussy. Little move your gland swell to blood clot. And stop it, the water you have hurt your blood clot. And I come down and then sit there. And that man I run down. Human being, them destructive and fool your fuck. Don't see things that easy.
So when you sex too much, you will have urine and stoppage of water.
Then your glands will swell. Your glands will swell, you know, and stoppage. Then that may show you, man, and your urine will come down. Right?
But I think them say that healthy. If you do that enough.
You know, you say a lie at the people, man. You know, you say be destruction the people and preach and make it look like a truth. We're not go so. Are the opposite we walk, you know?
So
remember we them not really walk the opposite, them not go the right way because a woman to consult man to fuck claim say you have a butter the push mouth down to rascal to get little pussy. Cause if you have a conscience and when you buy him food and buy him drinks and friend him up and when you ask a little pussy he won't say no, right? And you go do that making him drink rare and when you say little pussy he go tell you say he's sick at the wrong time, right? Give me back my money, he must say give me back my blood clot money because you beg me fuck. Because me know I know blood I see and you know you're sick and see me as straight and you know stop me and say dread where you up to. Well, and if I pussy I go and sick, you know do that. You near man bumbo clot drink and wait for me now when me sell the pussy I go tell me about this shit. Give me back my money.
But you don't can't make sure go on with the money, man.
Go on with what? Then when me up to? What me spend?
Maybe you can get it another time.
Get for another time, what? Me sure, right? The first water you reach pan your wash to bumbo clot, me no good as steam again a blood clot, right?
No man, no, but if you make sure get it, you buy her food, you treat her, and you give her the money and she tell you say things sick. Maybe we get you another time when you and her meet up.
Not at all, me never was planning for another time.
That's just that the one time you not plan for.
Then no the time me want fuck. Right? Maybe it's read another time. No, this time me I talk about.
So, let me ask you, you feel say no other animal, no other creature love sex more than human being? Them say dog love it bad, you know.
My virgin was cool, man, because human being in my least. Because when you know the animal, them ready to fuck a death to blood clot, let me tell you. Them only one know say human call. Because they are in season. Said like we have a time of year when woman calls for man to and some man you know that then look them out of season and you're hard to get them that way there. If you ever look them when time for them, we just stay there to blood clot. When human being season a run, master, you easy get fucked to blood clot, master, because they like the woman and pussy turn up on him and start to fuck around him, you know, right?
So how you know that? If a man don't know, how you get to know that?
Hey, watch out. You know, so when a woman want to fuck them carry a scent them, master. You know, say, if you talk to her and go near, you can smell it on thy arm.
What?
Said like how animal smell, said the woman call. I see him here with theater. When a woman calls for man, you can smell it on her now.
Oh, I never know.
How do your man in carry a special bumbo clot smell the man a send in time he want fuck, right? In time come round when them call, right? But then go side that you come side that you to bumbo clot, you smell a scent the way you would, if you don't mind, you would start to push out, you know, right? Go
Yeah, best me I tell you. One and only peanut dread me I tell you, man. You know easy at all.
It would sensitive, you know, so they would smell. Yeah. So if woman pussy good to it would sensitive to it, you would push out fast after it.
So you say dog are the animal, they love it more than human being.
Eh?
Dog and other animal love it more than human being.
Then you know what? The ram goat man, that blood clot man, he will kill the woman goat in myself when the season come around, and if the woman goat sit down pan him push her, don't want him fuck him. He will hang him blood clot the cock. Jesus God Almighty, cock him about 10 hen around him and none other hen cock can't come to comfort none, you know. A death to blood clot, one of them are dead, you know.
True.
Yeah, and the one will run, you know, and him lose, you know, and the one will stand up and him control down, you know, right? And if you left woman and cock, the woman will lick down the cock, and the woman don't like cocking up, because him about 7 hen around him and him alone and fuck the whole of them. Woman don't like them. Woman will lick down in bumbo clot if you know the day here.
What about the dog?
What you mean?
You know if you say a dog love them thing the most.
I don't know exactly, you know, that me not seeing so sad. Me see like the goat and the rascal push there.
Yes.
And the cock there.
The post right? Dangerous pan that.
You know, but that talk here, man. Me have them here, man. Me have to lick down. Me say, God. The man push boy, then dead little rascal, you know, boy.
Rampus are some serious shit, man. Trust me. You see?
He don't tear up our bumbo clot. He will tear her up, you know. You think they're easy? Eh? He hold down a ras clot, you know. He hold him in the head back, you see. And you think he can't get away?
That's true. That's true, yeah,
yes, man. I tell you, man, a raper, man, in no fuck. Right?
You see, dog? You have a bulldog at your yard. And the bulldog clean and everything. And so till that dog smell for miles. Miles, you know. So a dog in a eat, you know. Are you
2 miles, dog. The scientist says 2 miles them smell.
And you will not see your dog for all 4 or 5 days. You wonder what happened to your dog. Then you go see dog turn up, one hand foot broke. And he hears them bite up. You have some big cut on him. A human dog in smelling and him go there and add a big and badder dog, beat him up and cut him up, you know.
Yeah, man, when dog and mate, man, some can only run far around the bush and I watch them, you know. If he ever go bumbo clot there, you know, some big bad man, they follow the pussy that's him jealous that anyway shortcut there, him just a take shortcut and now just a watch them and I catch him kicks him can't go if he go there. Hey, you stay there. The blood clot dog, you know, master. Wicked. Cause me have man dog and the woman dog no do nothing beside left and way down a village. Come up on my gate. Come and go and make the dog and run out and the dog jump up and give him and fast into blood clot and dog fast and jump down. And when he jump down, the rascal woman dog turn down the road with him and I dry him to rascal that me I say wait. My God, dog, cocky root strong to Ross, boy. Jesus God. Why, Mr. See them who the root make special to Ross class to take a clean, but I was born, right? I know see no man who the root can't take a clean, so, yes, sir. You might me pop out to Ross class. Jesus God.
I know what normal material make that. The material will make that trunk.
Man, me say come like a rubber man. Me no know that the man who do trunk so boy. And me say one dog turn down the road with him and I drag him. The man a whole break rascal. There's some dog down there and he no want to see me no man. And me say dog drive him, he stop. Right? And he wait till the hand concern again, enjoy him again, and my man a whole break bumbo clot, but with the front foot, but the dog a dry man, and in a top telling you, and me say, why dog go look out there and see no sister, and God make me the boat, me say, then run out there to bumbo clot and jump down in and throat and lick him down, and me say, if me no in the boat, if they cut him throat to rascal, and me say, I don't know when cocky road no pop out. Me say, me now look to see who drawing back in. Me say that the whole road draw out. God Almighty. When him pull to blood clot in the pull and get up there. When him come up, me see who gone in. Me say, Jesus God. Boy, them make special.
But you know, sir.
Me see them all hitching up. We see them hitching and people beat them and them build up sideways and one take the light post, one take one side of the light post and another one take the other side. And me say, watch out, oh my God, what is speed where them go with that? They would pop out now, you know. And when he go, Jesus God. And make special man.
I think a dog are only animal we stuck, right?
Yes, because I saw him breed the dog. If him no itch, him not broke, you know. When he itch, he would sperm just a spit out.
Oh.
You know. And when he done discharge, he would dead. So he draw out back, right?
Okay.
So the woman dog him, yeah, anytime him a fuck, you know, man, I'll see him intention him, I said, to the bump.
What's it so?
To the bump. He want the bump to go in, you see?
I man dog, I said, to the bump.
Yes, the man dog, a ram and I said, to the bump, he want the bump go in. To the bump, but the woman dog, I said, mind the bump, because you know, say any time the bump go in, then we beat him, you know, right? So the woman dog always, I said, mind the bump, him no care, him I said, to the bump, to rascal, tell he hit, you know. When he eats no and then start beat out him bumbo clot, the woman dog, I say, yes, me and I tell you. Right, because they not beat the woman dog, you know. And him them a beat some blood clot. Yeah.
You're not easy at all. Hey, Washi.
Tell you, man.
Hey, Washi. Thank you, man. Thank you. You really make me morning. Hey.
All right, my brother.
Big up yourself.
So, look more, yeah.
We talk later, yeah?